Okay, okay. Oh my god. I cannot even start a video. I don't know how to do it. This is how long it's been since I uploaded a video. I totally forgot to start a video. I never was good at it, but right now I'm like nothing. Let me just do it again. Hi guys, long time no see, isn't it? I'm not even going to start explaining myself on why I literally abandoned my channel. Because I'm always doing this for the past year. I'm always saying why I'm not uploading very much on YouTube, and yeah, I think everyone's bored already, so I'm just going to talk about this nail design that you see here. I finally, after a couple of months, I opened my video editing program and I find this nail design sitting there, and I totally forgot about it. And yeah, I even checked my channel to see if I did a video for this nail design, and no, I didn't. So here it is. I'm doing a video tutorial for a design that I did months ago. Yeah, let's begin. So I begin with applying 2 layers of my color, and I'm curing each layer in my LED lamp. And yeah, okay, next I used a very pigmented watercolor paint. So I had to buff my nails to remove like the shiny layer of the gel polish. As I told you, I am using a high pigmented watercolor paint, and I do not exaggerate, guys. I purchased this product more than 5 years ago, and I'm really sorry that I do not know what brand it is, because it's a very good watercolor paint, a high pigmented watercolor paint. I'm using it because I can do very thin lines with it, but you can achieve the same look using acrylic paint, so don't be afraid to try it. As you can see, I am outlining the shape of a flower, and in some places I do thicker lines and also some dots. On my other nails I just did an easier design, some lines, some swirls, some dots, and that's it. I added some glitter, and for this I'm using gel glitter, and I'm curing it before I'm applying the gel top coat on the entire nail. Make sure the paint is completely dry before applying the top coat, and I applied 2 layers of top coat. You can do just 1, but I like to do 2 just to make sure that I'm covering everything. And yeah, that's it. This is all for this nail design. I really hope you guys like it. And yeah, I hope to see you all very soon with a nail tutorial. Bye. Take care. Thanks for watching. Bye.